We're delivering a 2016 Keystone Alpine 3600 RS. The customer who purchased this had a trade-in. The trailer that was traded in is a 2000 Fleetwood Terry 37D park model. The trailer is parked at a campground just north of where our dealership is. It's called Summer Place Park. With how tight the site was going to be pulling the park model out, the trade-in, we decided to bring the tractor up to give us more options and more flexibility when it came to maneuvering, both pulling the trade-in out and also possibly putting the fifth wheel in. But we had to get down to the site with it to see how things were going to work out. The trailer that's in the current site right now has been in there for quite some time. It's blocked. It's had a deck built up and around it, so we have a bit of work to get it out. As I'm letting the old guys do the work. I just give a thumbs up to the camera while you guys are doing the work down there. The geriatrics club.
There you go. Yeah. Two senior guys.
Two seniors. Oh. Do you qualify for seniors coffee? One more, two more sets. No, that's the deck.
Yeah,
so
but
that
the one
there
is behind the tire.
Okay.
Hey, Cam?
How do we want to do that one? We're going to need to lower it down a little more, I think, because there's still weight on it. Might need to bottle jacket, because we're all the way down, aren't we?
Yeah, because we're almost on the ground.
Okay, let me pop over.
Put it on the ground.
Watch your arms. Oh, we went too far. Yeah, I'm on the frame. You did.
I'll bring it in.
In this shot, you can clearly see how tight it was trying to get out with the park model, which was about 39 feet in length. The turning radius on the truck would not have made this corner, and the tractor just barely did, but it was a good move to have it there. We have now put the trailer as far over as we can with the truck. We need just a couple of inches to get the trailer over towards the site in order to back it in. The only way we were going to do that is to use the 15,000-pound winch on the truck that we brought. The ground underneath the tires compacted, needing us to just dig it out just enough with the shovel in order to pull it that extra. We needed about 2 inches, and we ended up getting it. On site, it actually fit pretty well, a little better than we expected. Just had to make sure the customer was happy with where it sat.